Breaking news coming in air pollution hearing in top court. The Supreme Court has asked the Central Vista work on despite the ban. That is a big question that the Supreme Court has asked the Centre. The Centre states give affidavit on action taken to curb pollution. Centre states list steps to fight pollution. Supreme Court tells the Centre and states file compliance report on the steps taken. Supreme Court is going to be hearing air pollution case on Thursday now. Anisha Mathur now joining us for the latest. Anisha, walk our viewers through all that transpired in the Supreme Court. The Supreme Court seems to have wrapped the centre and the state governments on the pollution levels rising and asked for an answer in terms of what are they doing to contain the pollution levels, and what is this question that they've asked the centre about whether the Central Vista work is on despite the ban. What does the centre have to say about it?
Well, Shakil, remember, the Supreme Court has been looking into this air pollution issue for several weeks, almost with at least one hearing every week for the last several days. And today, once again, the central government, the Central Air Quality Monitoring Commission had filed a detailed affidavit. But the Supreme Court is not happy with that affidavit, because what the centre has said is that we have been issuing directions since June to the states as well as the central government, but those directions are not being completely followed. Now, one of the issues that was taken up before the court was regarding the construction ban and the shifting of industries from coal-based fuel to gas fuel and other non-polluting fuels. Now, with respect to that, the Supreme Court has not been happy with the response that the Commission is saying, because the Commission itself has said that none of the NCR states or the central government have actually given detailed compliance reports on whether or not they're doing what they're supposed to do. One of the Senior Advocate Vikas Singh, who was appearing for the petitioners, also pointed out that while smaller construction projects that are being done by individuals have stopped, the larger construction projects which actually create a lot of dust pollution have not actually stopped, including one of the examples that he had given was the Central Vista project, which is just a couple of kilometers away from the Supreme Court. The court has asked the centre to explain exactly what is being done to reduce construction dust, whether or not all construction projects have been stopped or not. And one of the questions that was asked was regarding these large projects, including the Central Vista project, because remember, across Delhi, there are multiple giant construction projects that are being conducted at the moment by the central government, by the NHAI, by the NBCC, which is not just the Central Vista project, but several road projects, building projects are currently going on in the national capital. And now the court is asking, have those projects also been stopped with regard to the construction ban?
Right,
as far as the states are concerned...
Yeah, go on, continue.
As far as the states are concerned, similar question being asked by the court, that what have you done about industrial emissions? What are you doing about vehicular pollution? Give us details, because the Central Commission is very clearly saying that we don't know what the states are doing, even though we have been passing orders. Back to you.